5 things that will happen when you call evil people and narcissists by its name. Hi everyone. The narcissist is an intelligent being. They'll do anything they like to you and expect you to take it in good faith. They don't care about you or your feelings, and all they are after is their self-gratification. When you realize what games they're playing with you and decide to call them out, it causes them to become ashamed and all defensive. In the course of trying to be defensive, here are 5 things that happen. But before that, don't forget to smash that like button below, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when new content is released. 1. Rage. Calling out a narcissist is something that makes them scared and worried. So when you call them out, the most popular reaction from them is a shame. They become ashamed because they know that you have realized who they indeed are and what they are doing in your life. But they never allow things to go just like that. So what they do is follow up with so much rage. This rage that comes from them can be passive-aggressive, and at other times it can be perilous. They're not doing this because they mean to hurt you, but they don't want people to believe that what you have said is true. 2. Gaslighting. Gaslighting is another thing that the narcissist does when you call them out. They try to use everything in their power to push the blame on you. They might start using things that you have presented as pieces of evidence against them to be against you if you don't present it well. Therefore, the only way you can survive this reaction from the narcissist is if you genuinely understand what gaslighting is, and also give your pieces of evidence of their behavior calmly, even though some don't care about anything. 3. You can be accused of being a narcissist. When you call out a narcissist, you have to be very careful with your pieces of evidence, because the narcissist is so cunning that they can use everything they have about you against you. They might start reminding people of the things you have done that can be termed narcissistic, and before you know it, people might even begin to think that you're the real narcissist trying to accuse an innocent person. So before you call out a narcissist, be sure to make sure that they have nothing against you that they can use against you. 4. Blame shifting. Sometimes when you call out the narcissist and they have nothing to defend themselves with, they begin to shift the blames on other people. They can decide to blame it on their childhood, bad parenting, and even you. They make it seem as if they never wanted to be what they are, but you did some things that made them become what they have become. They will use any method to shift the responsibilities away from them, because the narcissist never takes responsibility for anything. They are always right and perfect. 5. Silent treatment. Nobody likes silent treatment, and this is often the last tactic that the narcissist employs when you call them out. When you have called them out, and it seems like you're winning, they begin to give you the silent treatment, because no one enjoys it. They know it will break you, because it will make you start to question the actions and why they're behaving the way they are. This silent treatment can also make you begin to ask yourself if you're too harsh on them, and you might even consider apologizing to them. So, what's your opinion about this? I hope you can gain more insight from this video. Don't hesitate to write your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to follow our subsequent video updates. Thanks for watching.